If you're wondering whether Jasper or Copy.ai has the more advanced content creation features, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down each platform's capabilities and help you figure out which one is best for your content needs. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a better alternative you might want to consider. Let's dive right in. First off, Jasper has been a heavy hitter in the AI content creation space for a while, and one of its strongest points is its versatility. It offers a range of templates for blog posts, emails, social media captions, and more. It even supports long-form content generation, which is huge for anyone creating in-depth articles or reports. The AI's ability to keep track of context over longer text is impressive, making Jasper great for producing high-quality content quickly. Next thing, Copy.ai also does a fantastic job at generating short-form content. It's particularly strong in generating catchy product descriptions, email campaigns, and social media posts. However, when it comes to long-form content, it doesn't quite have the same flow or depth that Jasper does. You might notice it feels a bit more scattered when you're working on longer articles or blog posts. The third thing to consider is the user interface. Jasper has a clean and simple design, but can feel a little overwhelming when you're just getting started. The platform gives you more customization options for templates, but it also takes a bit of time to figure out how to use them effectively. Copy.ai, on the other hand, has a more straightforward, beginner-friendly interface. It's quick to pick up, and you can generate content without diving too deep into customization. Now, the fourth thing worth mentioning is pricing. Jasper's pricing can get pretty expensive, especially if you're using it for high-volume content creation or need access to premium features. Copy. AI is a bit more affordable, but the trade-off is that you might miss out on some of the advanced tools Jasper offers, like the long-form assistant and SEO tools. It really comes down to what you're willing to spend and what you're hoping to get from the software. The fifth thing to touch on is integrations. Jasper has some really solid integrations with tools like Surfer SEO, which can help boost your content's performance. This makes it an excellent choice for those focused on optimizing for search engines. Copy.ai doesn't have as many integrations, but it does have enough to get the job done for most small businesses or creators just starting out. So, after comparing Jasper and Copy.ai, which is better for content creation? Both have their strengths, but if you're focused on long-form content and advanced features like SEO integration, Jasper clearly takes the lead. Copy.ai is fantastic for short-form content, but it lacks some of the high-level tools that Jasper brings to the table. And here's the twist. There is a better alternative out there that I've tried myself. While the platforms we've talked about are good, they don't quite meet all of my needs for serious content creation. If you're looking for something more powerful and versatile, check out the link in the description. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial and special benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Trust me, it's worth it if you're serious about taking your content creation to the next level.